In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Wayfair reviews to Shopify, focusing on the best apps and making sure everything stays legal. If you're a Shopify store owner, leveraging product reviews can significantly enhance your store's credibility and ultimately your sales. But when it comes to online reviews, especially from another platform like Wayfair, there are some crucial legal considerations to keep in mind. Let's start by understanding that you cannot legally copy Wayfair's customer reviews directly as they're protected under copyright law. This means duplicating reviews from Wayfair onto your Shopify store isn't just frowned upon, it's against the law. However, this doesn't mean all hope is lost. You can still enhance your store's credibility with reviews. You just need to use some clever compliant tactics. Instead of copying reviews, turn your focus to review importer apps. These applications can extract verified reviews from your own customers or other public sources where you have permission to do so. Shopify's App Store features several of these efficient tools that enable you to gather reviews legally and present them on your site seamlessly. This approach ensures you're not only compliant, but also building trust by displaying genuine customer feedback. Now, if you are an affiliate or looking to provide informative content about products, consider crafting your own review summaries. This involves reading customer feedback on Wayfair and formulating your own summaries based on that data. Doing so allows you to retain valuable insights while making sure you're not directly lifting content from another site. For instance, you might share that the average rating for a product is 4.8 stars based on what you've read, ensuring your representation remains original. Just remember, these need to be paraphrased and not copied verbatim, ensuring you respect intellectual property laws. Now, diving into Shopify, the process of adding these reviews involves a few essential steps. First, you'll want to install an app that supports review imports. To do this, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for Product Reviews applications. These apps are equipped to help you import reviews or even write custom reviews from real testimonials of your product, enriching your store with trustworthy content. Make sure, though, when referencing Wayfair specifically for source-based ratings, you always provide credit to Wayfair as the source. Transparency like this not only recovers legal credibility, but also ensures you're fostering trust with your audience. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to legally and effectively import reviews from Wayfair to Shopify. Follow these steps to enhance your Shopify store's authenticity